how to track your bet history in Caesars Sportsbook. If you wish to track your bet history in Caesars Sportsbook, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, launch the Caesars Sportsbook app, and then you want to log into your account by tapping the profile icon located at the top right hand side, entering your email and password, and then logging into your account. After you log in, you have to simply go to the My Bet section, which you can find the bet option from the bottom right of the screen. So once you're here, you'll be able to see your open bets, your bet slip and settle bets. Over here, you'll also be able to find the history of your bets, and on this base you can simply filter your bets to sort by date range and bet type. Then you can tap on any specific bet to see the detailed information, including odds, stake, potential, payout and final results. And this way you'll be able to track your bet history in Caesars Sportsbook app. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.